Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have your own AI-powered voice? In this video, we'll guide you through the fascinating process of creating an AI version of your own voice. From understanding the basics to exploring practical applications, you'll discover how technology can replicate your unique sound. Whether you want to use your AI voice for creative projects, accessibility, or just for fun, this journey will open up a world of possibilities. Let's start by exploring what AI voice cloning actually is and why it's becoming so popular in today's digital landscape. AI voice cloning is a technology that uses artificial intelligence to replicate a person's voice. By analyzing audio samples, AI models learn the unique characteristics of your speech, such as tone, pitch, and accent. The result is a digital version of your voice that can read text or even have conversations. This technology is used in various fields, from entertainment to accessibility tools, and is becoming more accessible to everyday users. Understanding the basics of how AI voice cloning works is the first step toward creating your own digital voice. There are many reasons you might want to create an AI version of your own voice. For some, it's about preserving their unique sound for future generations. For others, it's a tool for content creation, allowing them to generate audio for videos, podcasts, or audiobooks without always recording new material. Voice cloning can also help those who have lost their ability to speak, giving them a way to communicate using their own voice. The possibilities are vast, and the technology is only getting better. The process of AI voice cloning starts with collecting audio samples of your speech. These samples are then fed into a machine learning model, which analyzes the patterns and nuances of your voice. The AI learns how you pronounce words, your intonation, and even subtle quirks that make your voice unique. Over time, the model becomes capable of generating new speech that sounds remarkably like you. This learning process is at the heart of AI voice cloning technology. To create an AI version of your voice, you'll need the right tools. There are several platforms and software options available, each with its own strengths. Some popular choices include Descript, Resemble AI, and 11 Labs. These tools offer user-friendly interfaces and step-by-step guides to help you get started. When selecting a tool, consider factors like ease of use, privacy policies, and the quality of the generated voice. Doing a bit of research will help you find the best fit for your needs. Before you start recording, it's important to set up a quiet and comfortable environment. Background noise can affect the quality of your audio samples, so choose a room with minimal distractions. Use a good quality microphone if possible, and avoid echo by adding soft furnishings or using soundproofing materials. Taking these steps will ensure that your recordings are clear and accurate, giving the AI the best possible data to work with. Now it's time to record your voice. Most AI voice cloning tools will guide you through this process, asking you to read specific sentences or phrases. Aim for at least a few minutes of clear, natural speech. Speak at a normal pace and volume, and try to capture the full range of your voice. The more varied your samples, the better the AI will be at replicating your unique sound. Once you've recorded your voice samples, the next step is to upload them to your chosen AI platform. Most tools make this process simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions to upload your files. Make sure your audio is in the correct format, such as WAV or MP3, and double-check that all files are clear and complete. This step is crucial, as the quality of your uploads will directly impact the final AI voice. After uploading your audio samples, the AI platform will begin training its model on your voice. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the tool and the amount of data provided. During training, the AI analyzes your speech patterns, learns your pronunciation, and builds a digital profile of your voice. You may receive updates or notifications as the training progresses. Once the training is complete, it's time to test your new AI voice. Most platforms allow you to type in text and hear it spoken in your cloned voice. Try out different sentences to see how well the AI captures your tone and style. Listen for accuracy in pronunciation and emotion. If something doesn't sound quite right, some platforms let you retrain or provide additional samples for improvement. If your AI voice isn't perfect on the first try, don't worry. Many platforms offer options to fine-tune the model. You can provide more audio samples, adjust settings, or even tweak the pitch and speed of the generated voice. Experiment with these features to get the most natural and accurate result. Remember, the more data you provide, the better your AI voice will sound. After you're satisfied with your AI voice, you'll want to save and export it for future use. Most platforms allow you to download your voice model or export audio files in various formats. Make sure to keep backups of your files in a safe location. This way, you can use your AI voice in different projects or share it with others as needed. With your AI voice ready, you can start using it in a variety of content. Create voiceovers for videos, narrate podcasts, or generate audio for presentations. Many platforms offer integrations with popular editing tools, making it easy to add your AI voice to your projects. This flexibility opens up new creative possibilities and can save you time on repetitive recording tasks. AI voice cloning isn't just for content creators. It's also a powerful tool for accessibility. People who have lost their ability to speak due to illness or injury can use their AI voice to communicate with loved ones. By preserving their unique sound, they maintain a sense of identity and connection. This technology is making a real difference in people's lives, offering new ways to express themselves. With great power comes great responsibility. AI voice cloning raises important ethical questions. It's crucial to use your AI voice responsibly and respect the privacy and rights of others. Never use someone else's voice without their permission, and be mindful of how your AI voice might be used. Many platforms have guidelines and safeguards in place to prevent misuse. Always stay informed and act ethically. When working with AI voice cloning, protecting your data is essential. Choose platforms that prioritize user privacy and offer secure storage for your audio samples. Read the privacy policies carefully and understand how your data will be used. Some tools allow you to delete your data at any time, giving you control over your information. Taking these precautions will help keep your voice and personal details safe. Before using your AI voice in public projects, it's important to understand the legal implications. Laws regarding voice cloning vary by country and region. In some places, using someone else's voice without consent can lead to legal trouble. Make sure you have the rights to use your own voice and avoid infringing on others' rights. When in doubt, consult a legal expert to ensure you're in compliance with local regulations. AI voice cloning isn't all serious business. It can also be a lot of fun. Use your AI voice to create personalized messages, prank your friends responsibly, or even generate unique ringtones. The technology allows for creative experimentation, so don't be afraid to try new things. Just remember to always use your AI voice in a way that's respectful and considerate of others. The entertainment industry is embracing AI voice cloning in exciting ways. Actors and musicians can use AI versions of their voices for dubbing, voiceovers, or even creating new songs. This technology also allows for the recreation of voices from the past, bringing historical figures to life in documentaries or films. The creative possibilities are endless, and AI voice cloning is changing the way stories are told. Businesses are finding new uses for AI voice cloning, from customer service bots to personalized marketing messages. By using a familiar voice, companies can build stronger connections with their audience. AI voices can also handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human employees for more complex work. As the technology improves, expect to see even more innovative business applications. AI voice cloning is making waves in education as well. Teachers can use their AI voices to create custom learning materials, audiobooks, or language lessons. Students benefit from hearing familiar voices, which can enhance engagement and understanding. This technology also supports accessibility, making learning more inclusive for everyone. Beyond education, AI voice cloning is a game changer for accessibility. People with speech impairments can use their AI voice to participate in conversations, presentations, or even public speaking. By giving everyone a voice, this technology is helping to break down barriers and promote inclusion in all areas of life. While AI voice cloning is impressive, it's not perfect. The technology may struggle with complex emotions, unusual accents, or background noise. Some AI voices can sound robotic or lack natural intonation. It's important to have realistic expectations and understand that the technology is still evolving. Continuous improvements are being made, but there are still some limitations to be aware of. To get the best results from your AI voice, focus on providing high-quality audio samples and using advanced settings when available. Some platforms offer premium features that enhance naturalness and expressiveness. Experiment with different recording techniques and settings to find what works best for you. As the technology advances, expect even more realistic and versatile AI voices in the future. Many platforms allow you to customize your AI voice by adjusting pitch, speed, and emotion. You can create different versions for various purposes, such as a formal voice for business or a playful tone for personal messages. Customization gives you more control over how your AI voice sounds and how it's used in different contexts. Your AI voice can be integrated with various apps and devices. Use it for virtual assistants, smart home devices, or even in video games. Many platforms provide APIs or plugins to make integration easy. This allows you to bring your AI voice into your daily life and enhance your digital experiences. Once you've created your AI voice, you might want to share it with friends, family, or collaborators. Many platforms allow you to share audio files or even the voice model itself. Always make sure you're sharing responsibly and respecting privacy. Sharing your AI voice can be a fun way to connect with others and showcase your creativity. It's important to keep backups of your AI voice and audio samples. Store your files in multiple locations, such as cloud storage and external drives. This ensures you won't lose your work if something goes wrong. Regular backups are a simple but effective way to protect your investment in your AI voice. As your voice changes over time, you may want to update your AI model. Record new samples periodically and retrain the AI to keep your digital voice current. This is especially important if you use your AI voice for professional or personal communication. Keeping your AI voice up to date ensures it always sounds like you. If you run into problems with your AI voice, don't panic. Common issues include poor audio quality, robotic sound, or mispronunciations. Check your recording environment, provide more samples, or adjust settings in the platform. Most tools have support resources or communities where you can find help. With a little patience, you can resolve most issues and improve your AI voice. Some AI voice platforms offer advanced features like emotion control, multilingual support, or real-time voice conversion. Explore these options to unlock even more potential from your AI voice. Advanced features can help you create more dynamic and engaging audio for any project. If you work in multiple languages, some AI voice tools can clone your voice for different languages. This is useful for international projects, language learning, or reaching a wider audience. Make sure to provide samples in each language for the best results. Multilingual voice cloning is expanding the reach of digital voices worldwide. Some advanced platforms offer real-time voice synthesis, allowing you to speak through your AI voice instantly. This is useful for live presentations, streaming, or virtual meetings. Real-time synthesis requires powerful hardware and a stable internet connection, but it's an exciting development in AI voice technology. AI voice cloning is being used in virtual reality to create more immersive experiences. Your AI voice can be integrated into VR avatars, making interactions feel more personal and authentic. This technology is enhancing gaming, training, and social VR platforms, bringing digital worlds to life with your own voice. Gamers can use AI voice cloning to create custom character voices or add realism to in-game communication. This technology allows for deeper personalization and can make multiplayer games more engaging. As AI voice tools become more accessible, expect to see even more creative uses in the gaming world. Podcasters can benefit from AI voice cloning by automating parts of their production. Use your AI voice to narrate segments, create intros and outros, or even generate entire episodes. This saves time and allows for more consistent audio quality across your podcast series. If you're an author or audiobook creator, AI voice cloning can help you produce high-quality audio versions of your work. Your AI voice can narrate entire books, allowing you to reach new audiences and offer more accessible content. This technology is making audiobook production faster and more affordable than ever before. Social media creators can use AI voice cloning to add a personal touch to their content. Generate voiceovers for videos, create unique audio posts, or interact with followers using your AI voice. This helps you stand out and build a stronger connection with your audience. Marketers can leverage AI voice cloning to create personalized ads, product demos, or customer engagement campaigns. Using a familiar voice can increase trust and brand recognition. AI voices can also be used to localize content for different regions, making marketing efforts more effective. AI voice cloning is transforming customer service by enabling more natural and personalized interactions. Automated systems can use your AI voice to answer questions, provide support, or guide users through processes. This improves the customer experience and can make support more efficient. Don't forget about personal projects. Use your AI voice to create family audiobooks, personalized greetings, or even document your life story. The technology is accessible to everyone, so let your imagination run wild and see what you can create with your digital voice. The future of AI voice cloning is bright. As technology advances, we'll see even more realistic, expressive, and versatile digital voices. New applications will emerge in fields like healthcare, entertainment, and education. Staying informed about the latest developments will help you make the most of this exciting technology. As AI voice cloning becomes more common, it's important to stay vigilant about security. Protect your voice data, use trusted platforms, and be cautious about sharing your AI voice online. By taking these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of AI voice cloning while minimizing risks. If you want to dive deeper into AI voice cloning, there are plenty of resources available. Look for online tutorials, community forums, and official documentation from your chosen platform. Staying connected with the AI voice community can help you learn new tips, troubleshoot issues, and stay inspired. Creating an AI version of your own voice is an exciting and empowering process. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, you can bring your digital voice to life for a wide range of uses. Remember to act responsibly, protect your privacy, and keep exploring new possibilities. The world of AI voice cloning is just getting started, and your voice could be part of its future.